What's up guys, Stalker Zombie here from Elite Shadow XP. Today I'm going to show you how to get an awesome mob arena into your server. So first you're going to want to go to bucket.org. You're just going to want to look up Bucket in your browser and it should be the first thing that comes up. Go to get plugins up here and search mob arena in here. And it's the first one. And this is probably the best of all the mob arena plugins because all the other ones sort of try to do a mixture of things like Hunger Games and everything, and they don't spend as much time working on the mob arena. So just hit download right here and put it into your plugins folder in your server. So mine would go desktop, server, plugins. Just put the jar file into here and that should go in there, and then run your server. And once you run your server, this folder should appear. It's called Mob Arena, and this is where all your config and everything is. So we're not going to worry about all that stuff yet. Right now we're just going to go into our server, set time today, and worry about this little checklist I made over here. Alright, so first you're going to want to add the arena. So to do this, you're just going to want to type /MA, make sure to put MA before all these, /MA, add arena, and then your arena name. So I'm going to call mine test, and there we created our arena. Now, let's just go over here. We're going to want to do MA set region P1 and MA set region P2. So this will just set the points of the region. So you're going to want to make your MA square. If you don't, you're going to have to have parts outside of the mob arena claimed as mob arena. So I'd suggest making it square. So /MA, and then one sec, I forgot how to do this. Alright, yeah, MA set region. I always think it's set spawn because I'm used to that. /MA set region and P1 for the first region. So just set that in one corner, and then you're going to want to go to the bottom of your thing, so like right here, and then /MA set region P2, so it's the point 2, and just cover that up. And now you have your mob arena all set. Now you're going to want to set your lobby too. So go back here to our checklist. Gonna have MA set warp lobby. So this is going to be the lobby. There we go. Set the lobby for test, and in your lobby you're going to want to have all your classes, so like knight, tank, archer, chemist, and odd job. Those are all the default ones. You can make more in the config file. I'll show you how to do that. And you're going to want to have an iron block, at least one, so that the players can ready up and join the arena. And oh snap, phone, be right back. Alright, back guys, sorry about that, my phone just rang. So now after you set the lobby, you're going to want to set warp to the arena. So this is where the players will spawn. So I'll just make a little spawn thing here, and then right in here. So you just walk in here and then type that /MA set warp arena, and then this is where they'll spawn when they join the arena from the iron blocks. And every arena, I don't know why, but it has to have spectator place. So you can just make a little box. My fancy box. Don't judge. This is just quick box. Alright? And now to set this, you're going to do /ma set warp spec, and then not spectate, but spectator, so that people can spectate it. And let's do /ma check data to see if we have anything missing, and we have spawn points missing. This is the last step in setting up your mob arena. So spawn points are where the monsters will spawn. So to set these, you're just going to want to like go onto the block that, or the area that they'll spawn in. Pretty sure they spawn like on this block and like one block around it or something. And like then you want to do /ma space add spawn, and like S1 for like spawn 1 or something, and spawn 2, spawn 3, and spawn 4. So this arena test has 4 spawn points in it for mobs. Now let's do /ma check data, and it's ready to be used. So let's try to break something in here and see. Now it won't work because it's already. This won't work either because it's the lobby. And yeah, /ma space j, and then you type your arena. So test. Ow, don't know why that happened. Maybe don't set it as close to the wall. But choose your class. I'll be, yeah, or chemist just for fun. And then right click that and let the slaughter begin. And the mobs should start spawning any minute. Oh, yeah. He's only wearing armor because I have a plugin on my server that makes him wear like sick armor. It's called DiabloDrops. If you want to get it, it's pretty cool. You guys should check it out. Gets like a bunch of stuff. Hey, screw up! Yeah. Swiftness. Alright, anyways, that's fun. You can set custom drops and stuff. Alright, I'll go over and show you guys how to set all that stuff up, like custom drops and everything. Just go into your server and your plugins, and in this folder that I talked about earlier, go into that, and then go into your config.yml and hit edit with Notepad++. If you don't have that, look it up and get it. It's a good code editing program for YML. And yeah, this is what should come up. Arenas default. Now all the rest won't be here. This arena right here and all of its stuff, and this arena and all that stuff. But you will have the arena that you just created, which is here. And see, I call mine test, so the name is test. And this is all the settings of your arena. So entry fee, you can set an entry fee. I'll just set to like 50 or whatever. Actually, no, who needs entry fees? And hellhounds, not sure what that does. You can set all these. So auto equip armor, that should be true, so they auto equip their armor, they don't have to like put it on. No, don't need any of these. Maybe this will let the other players kill each other. Monster infight, no, keep that false. Allow teleporting, no, so they can't teleport out and stuff. Spectate on death, set that to true if you want them to go to the spectator place on when they die. Auto respawn, so that they automatically go there and instead of just having to hit respawn. Item share, you can set that to true or false depending on if you want to like players to give items to each other. Minimum players, I like to just set it to like 1 in 10. It lets you play if there's like 0 and 0, but then your mob arena could get like overloaded because max players 0 just lets it keep going. Max join distance, no. First wave delay, how much time you have before the first wave. Wave intervals, that's how many seconds you have until the next wave starts once you finished the other wave. Final wave, you can set your final wave. If you don't, it just keeps going, I'm pretty sure. I usually set mine to just like 50. Monster limit, if your server is not that good, keep it at like 100 or something. Monster XP, that will make the monsters drop XP, so sure, why not. Keep XP true so that players don't lose their XP when they die in it. Food regen, that'll make their food level regen. Lock food level, that will make their food level not go down. And spout class select, just leave that as false because if you put it as true, it'll kind of mess up everything. Player time in arena, world, leave that as your world name right there. And this should be your world name too. And then auto ignite TNT, you can set that to true if you want. When players place TNT in odd job, it automatically gets ignited. Auto start timer, I usually set that to like 120 because people can't like just like sit there and annoy people, you know, because they can't join. So use class chests, no, because that will give players what are in the chests instead of on the signs. Display waves as level, false, because waves is cooler, you know. The waves, the reoccurrent waves right here, these are the ones that'll like keep happening. So the def one, which is like default, is priority. Just keep all this, all that the same, but you can change how many of them are spawned, like can be possibly spawned. To make it pretty hard, I'd set it to like 20, but to make it really easy, I'd set it to like 5. You can also add more mobs, like I'll just add like, I don't know, blazes, and max like 50 just to show you guys. And I'll take out wolves because wolves don't really do much. Take out spiders so that I can show you guys quicker. And the special ones are these powered creepers, angry wolves. That doesn't hardly work like anytime, so I just take that out. These are all good for these. Leave these the same. And the single waves, these are like the waves that only happen at like wave 6 or wave 10. So you can add bosses like this. To add a boss, just gotta hit enter, backspace 4 times until it is like in line with these, because that means it's the child or whatever of this. And then just type like boss 2, I guess, if you, whatever you want to name it. Hit tab twice if you're in YML mode. You guys will know what I mean if you know about this. If you don't, just hit space 4 times. Type is a boss because it's a boss wave. Wave, we'll set it as like 20, so actually we'll set it as wave 2 so I can show you guys it. Monster will have as a zombie. Health will have as high because it's a boss, obviously. Abilities. Now, here's the neat thing about this. You can add abilities to your bosses. Isn't that sweet? Alright, so to see all these, just go into abilities folder right here. And these are all the abilities. You might have noticed like throw nearby and stuff if you have played Mob Arena before in other servers. So I'll add throw nearby, sure, why not? Throw nearby, and then comma, and then space, then shoot arrow, arrow, and that's all I'll add. And you're going to want to have your server stopped. And then save these changes in here, just because saving's good. And here's the rewards section, rewards. And this will set the rewards for every 3 waves, every 5 waves, and every 10 waves. And this one right here, the after, will set the rewards for after these like specific waves. So every 3 waves, you get a feather, a bone, and a stick as default. And every 5, you get 4 dirt, that's what that means, 4 gravel, and 4 stone. And every 10, you get 10 iron ingot and 8 gold ingot. I'll set it, just to show you guys, I'll set it to every 1, you get a diamond. Let's make it like 64. And emerald. And yep, the rest you can change or whatever. Class limits, all this, and the coordinates. Now here at the top, if you haven't noticed yet, there's classes. So these are all your classes. To make a class, just hit enter, backspace 4 times again, and enter your class name. So I'll put it like elite, and then hit enter again, tab twice, items, and you can add items from this. So like I'll put it as like, I don't know, how about iron sword, and then might as well give them some potions, or actually golden apples. Golden. So for golden apples, you're going to want to type golden underscore apple :1 the amount of apples. So 6. This :1 just means the type of a golden apple. So a :1 golden apple is a god apple or an op apple. It's those ones that like give you regeneration and like fire protection and everything. If you want, you can just leave it as that, and it'll just give you a regular golden apple. But those ones are obviously way better. And that's it. That's all I'll put. Actually, I'll add a bow and arrow. I'll add 64 arrows. Now hit enter again and type armor and :, and then let's add diamond armor to this guy. 310, that's a diamond helmet. 311 is a chest plate. 312 leggings, and 313 are the boots. So that should be good for our first class right there. Let's just save that. And now we can exit out of this, go back into our server, and run our server. Open up our Minecraft again. No, I would not. I haven't updated my server yet, because I'm not really sure how to. Yeah, I know, it's pathetic, but I'm kind of new to servers. So, alright. Now we have saved all these changes, and we can now add our new class in here. So we'll add it right here, actually. Wait, what? Where'd it go? What the fuck? Alright, we'll add it right here. There we go. Wait, test. There we go. Alright. We'll add elite. Now MAJ test. Take our elite class, which we just made, all the diamond armor, all that, remember? And we'll ready up. Bump second. Try not to set your warps close to the wall. Remember how I set blazes as a regular wave? Yeah, that's what that does. Spawns blazes. You might want to light it up in here so that no other mobs spawn. That'd be a good idea for me to do. Oh, and it's the boss. And his ability to shoot arrow and throw nearby works. That's good. Let's try to not be nearby. Oh, but a bunch of blazes spawn. This is a regular. Oh, this is a great mob arena, isn't it? Need a couple golden apples. Oh snap. Well, yeah, as you can see, guys, it works because I'm a boss. Yeah. Well, it's true, I am. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video, and I hope it helped you. Oh snap! Dropped a diamond sword. That is the plugin I have. DiabloDrops. Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys later. Oh crap! Holy crap! Leave me alone!